Hi, I'm Tara with Pink Power Cleaning, where we make the homeowner the hero by helping them have a clean home. So today I am cleaning a stovetop, and I have my multi-purpose spray, sponge, a scraper if needed, and a couple of microfiber cloths. First thing I'm going to do is spray the whole thing down. As you can see, this is a gas top stove. These ones are easy enough to pick up and wipe off and get them nice and clean this way. If they were the really big ones that are really thick and long, I take those to the sink and scrub them that way. We're getting all the food off. As you can see, there's some stuck on here. So I'm going to make sure that that goes away. That's where my sponge comes in handy. There we go. I'm going to start at the top, work my way down. With this, it's okay to throw the food on the floor because you're going to vacuum. Right here, there's some burnt on food, so I'm going to try my sponge first. That did a good job. Same thing here, a lot of burn on food. This is really thick though, so I'm actually just going to use my scraper on this. I just angle it, take little strokes here. Put this in my dirty clothes. There we go, that got the majority of it. And then we'll finish up with our sponge. All of this is just warped stove because it's really old. So now we make sure it's shiny. One thing you do want to watch out for when you're cleaning a gas stove, sometimes your hip can bump these when you're cleaning. And this one's harder, but some of them just move really, really easy, and it'll start doing that, and now we have gas fumes coming out. So pay really good attention that you're not doing that, or if you do, make sure they get turned off immediately. Next, we're working our way down, and we're getting our knobs. These pull off so you can get them really well, and you can get behind them. Spray this down. All right, that does not come off apparently. And now we'll put it all back together. Thanks for watching. I'm Tara with Pink Power Cleaning, where we make the homeowner the hero, and that is how you clean a gas top stove.